So why did you set up Shadow Foam?
So I set up Shadow Foam in 2012 when I was working as an engineer. I bought this toolbox and I started steadily filling it with tools. I wanted to organise the contents of the drawers. I tried a few DIY solutions and none of them worked out very well. None of the foam cut very well. So I had to look to a better option. If you come down here, Nathan, you can see it's a nice flexible grade. You can push on it and it doesn't crack, but you can cut all of the shapes into the foam to create this nice shadow effect.
So what do you do, Joe?
I manage production, so that means I cut the orders down to size, I spray them, I package them up and ship them off to the customers, and just make sure everyone's happy and receive their orders.
What do you do, James?
Well, currently I'm managing EasyPeel, but when I'm not doing this, I cut the custom orders and I also do the data analytics for Shadow Foam itself. Wait, what do you do, Nathan?
Well, I'm the video guy.
Well, you're just a voice at the moment, but you do actually have a face for radio.
Cheers.
Wait, where are you going?
So what can people expect from our YouTube channel?
Well, we're going to try and inject some more personality into our videos. We've been making a video every week since January. We want to do some more hands-on and more personality-driven videos. So we want to introduce some of our team to you. We want to get some more involved projects, and we're going to be doing some toolbox transformations. We've got loads of other ideas too, how we can mix up the content and how we can you know, not just focus on the phone, but also on what you can do with it. We've also got a few more collaborations in the pipeline. We're constantly in touch, reaching out, offering some product to YouTubers to try and drive some interesting projects.